Hello everyone. So yeah, back again. Just checking does my knife properly or not. Let's see. So this confirming. Yeah, yeah, knife properly. I think so. Just check problem. Is it audible or not? Hello. Hello. Is it audible? Okay, let's say it's choice has been increased. And I check. It's okay. I can hear the voice. Okay, let's start. So, okay, I will try to speak a little more loudly because I think the voice is a little bit unclear, but now it will be good. Let's start with the session. Yesterday, we have completed the prototypes, till prototypes. Now we are moving forward uh, with the actual class keyword. So we have been learned and practiced about what constructor functions, this keyword, and also the prototypes. So now we are moving forward with the ES6 classes, modern ES6 classes. Now we are ready for the modern JavaScript in 2015. JavaScript introduces the class keyword to it. Does the exact same things. Just a second. Okay. What it is, it does the exact same thing the behind the scene as a prototype code, but it looks much cleaner and easier to read. It is often called syntactic sugar. And in the JavaScript, we say, and we can see, the class is just a syntactic sugar. Okay, what they just suggest for. Okay, so this is example has been given class rectangle. The constructor method replace the old constructor functions. So now we don't have to create a functions constructor functions like previously. Yesterday we were creating. We are just using the constructor keyword and this is the constructor function. Okay. So what else? Let's see. Okay, now we are creating the functions. Methods inside the class automatically put them okay like this. So okay, how convert the bank account code into the modern ES6 class. Okay, we have a class keyword, put the owner and balance, set up the constructor method, and place deposit withdraw methods inside directly inside the class body, and no function keyword or a prototype needed. Okay. Don't forget to use greater than equals to for the withdrawal check. Okay. Understood. Let's try it. You want to try this? Just a second. Come in. Okay, so we are back again. So the raining has been started, and with the raining, we will start with the practice session. And today we are using the class keyword. Okay, so let's start a class using create class keyword. Class, what is our keyword? Use the class keyword, and name is class name is account, bank account. Okay, so let's create a bank account. Yes, I've created and started with creating a bank account keyword for the constructor CUMS construct DRUC constructor. Uh, yeah, so previously we have created constructor functions. Now we are creating a constructor which is having two things, which is having owner and balance. Owner and balance. So we are just owner and equals to owner, and here this dot balance equals to balance. Let's just cross check. Okay, yeah, we are going right. Now let's create some mm, method. So what was our method? So previously we have to create two method, deposit, DPO, deposit, and another is, okay, let's see. First, can we create like this? Yeah. Now we can create like this functions. So, okay. So we are creating a method. So what are the purpose of the method? Deposit. Okay. The deposit has to return this dot balance. It should accept a parameter amount. Okay. Okay. Is equals to amount. And we have a withdraw, which is having also an amount. Before that, we will be check if uh, amount greater than equals to, if is a term greater than equal to. Don't forget to use greater than for withdraw check. Okay, greater than equals to what? This dot balance. Then it should say zero balance. If let's see on greater than this dot balance, then return in in this is sufficient funds, else return this dot balance minus equals to uh, okay, minus equals to amount. So like this we have been created, and like now const bank one. Okay, someone has commented us. Hello, game development. Yeah, buddy, I remember you last in the last class session we talked about it though last time. Yeah, how about you? How are you? So let's create a new bank account. Okay, new bank account, and now b1 dot b1 dot deposit. Let's console dot log. We will have a b1 dot deposit 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 of what will be having a deposit of amount of, like have 50,000 deposit. Yeah, 50,000 deposit. So what we can see, let's see. Okay, class bank dot account has okay. So this will not have a parameter nan. Why this is nan? Balance, this dot balance. Okay, so What's the issue is here? Return this dot balance plus equals to amount. Hmm. Okay, let's get check. Okay. I'm the telephone share for the photos on the page. I need okay. I don't understand the code. This kind of photos. I want to make a mini. Uh, what you will do with age and all? Yeah, 18 plus only. So, okay, let's see. Yeah, you're fine. I'm happy to see that you're fine. Let's continue with the questions. Okay. Uh, why it is giving the math, not an a number? Let's just check. Does our console or laws V1 is proper or not? Okay. The V1 is not defined. Yeah, actually, you can see that V1 is not defined as this. Sure, it is defined because we have seen const V1 equals because we are calling the class and class is actually proper undefined and balanced because yeah, okay. So I got forgot to give the parameters. So let's give the parameters. Okay, so initial is giving some 10,000. Where are we going with that? Uh, let's see. Okay, so now we can see the balance is a proper. Okay, now we have just checked law also properly. Let's now see here the balance is undefined. Thank you, buddy. So you can see now it's working properly. And thank you for our viewer also, which help us. So let's move to the next. How will with the let's check the console.log event dot withdraw withdraw amount. Let's give 1,20,000. 1,20,000. Run. It's working, but whatever if it's like this. Oh, this should be bonus. Yeah, it's actually voice is little bit soft, but yeah, 18%. It has a 1,20,000 insufficient funds. Okay, so this is like this. Let's move forward. Let's give is the for checking the things. Yeah, let's analyze. Check this. Set this question and give me more questions. More questions. Check this question, check this, sorry, not question, check this solution for LUT solutions and give me more questions for practice. Yeah, I see practice. Class modern ES6 class questions and also questions from basic to intermediate level. So again practice and to become master in these topics. Oh, I forgot to just a second. Okay, it's already given started. So let's question practice as we know this in the consideration. Okay, so name what languages also talking in books. Yeah, what do you I can go with well basically I'm only moving forward with JavaScript and Python for most of the time. And I'm focusing on this only. Okay, so here we are not giving the personal question answer. Okay, yeah, so let's continue with the don't distract you. Okay, thank you for asking us. Let's move forward. Challenge one, the smart thermostat basic. Okay. Create a class of thermostat. Oh, what is thermostat? Kind of thermostat. Okay. Let's see what is the question means. The constructor should accept a current temperature number and a method increase temperature degree that raise the temperature by that amount and returns a message like temperature set to 24 degrees Celsius. Add a method decrease temperature degree that lower it. Okay. Let's give a try to this question and see. Okay. So what is this? The constructor should accept the temperature. Okay. Not create a class thermos. Create thermos. Create a class constructor. Constructor. Let we have a parameter like current temperature. Current should accept current temperature number. Okay. The constructor should accept the current temperature number. Okay. Current temperature. Let's get a short. Right? This top temperature. Uh, Hello, buddy. If you have anything personal related something or another question, you can mail us. We will be love to see your contact. So for now, we are not answering these questions in the chat section. I hope you will understand. Let's move forward. Thank you. This dot current temp equals to what will you having? We are receiving the current temp. Correct? So this is a current structure. Let's see what is else. Add a method increase temperature degree. Okay, increase temperature degree. Let create a increase. A is increase temperature. We are having a degrees. Short. Okay. That will raise the temperature by that amount and returns a message like temperature is set to 24 degrees Celsius. Okay. Current temperature. Okay. Thank you, buddy. Love to see you. Okay, so increase temperature, degree, raise the temperature by that amount and returns a message like uh, message temperature set to 44 degrees Celsius degree. So what we have to do is if to increase the temperature. Okay, so this dot current temp, we have a current temp which will be increased by degree, and return, yeah, it's the same email which we mentioned. You can see in the uh, about section. Thank you. Let's see return, which is what is a returning? We are returning like this. Temperature set to. Okay, so we will be using template literals. So yeah. Okay. You can ask me in the email only. I will be able to reply on that. Temperature. Temperature is set to what this dot current temp. Okay. So yeah, we are added this thing. Add a method decrease temperature. Okay. So we are creating a decrease temp, and here we will be adding like this. Mm-hmm. Let's have the same here. Check. Okay. Check. Formatting. This dot current temperature minus equals to degree, and it will be returned the message that lower it. And similarly, this also using template literal and returning the temperature set to set to this. Okay, this dot current temperature. Well, we have been done with this, and let's check this out. So, what is a thermo? Okay, its a name is the word. I will be calling it C1, C1, and a new keyword using, and we are here. Stat. Yes. So current temperature is like 29 degrees Celsius for now. So let's see. Consider what is it about this dot current temperature. Let's just check. Our class is properly created and we are able to see its method. Yeah. Current temperature increase, decrease. Okay. So let's see how we are working out. Consider law C1 dot increase temperature, not increase, I would like to decrease. Because here today a lot of the humidity temperature hot, you know, temperature by 10 degree minus 19 degree, it's a little cold. Let's have a 5, which is a logical explanation. Sorry. It's okay. Let's see. Temperature set to 24. So this actual temperature we have been set it. So okay, it's working fine. Let's comment it out and we will be reviewed by AI for better modifications or optimize the version. So we can also learn, is there any possibility to optimize the class that we have been created? So let's move forward. So the explore cart immediate intermediate array manipulations. Okay, so develop has been here. Been you can see create a class. Okay, so we will just start following the question only rather doing a full thing. Let's create a shopping cart. So we are following question. We have it created a shopping cart. Okay. So what else? The constructor does not need any parameter, but it should initialize an empty array. Okay. Got it. Constructor. Constructor. Okay. We haven't created without parameter. Okay. Mm, uh, okay. Constructor. It has a this dot items, which is basically an array. Okay. Got it. Move forward. Add a method, add item, product name, price. This should push a small project name, okay, prices into the array. Okay, okay, got it. What it is about item, okay. What it is about product name and a price. Okay. Product name, price. Okay. This should be pushed into the array. Okay, okay, got it. So a small object, this should be push a small object. Okay, so here we are creating like something JSON like things, the arrays on object. So we are supposed to put okay. So let's put see how we can do. This dot item is currently as an array. Okay. So let's create a object in that we will be having a product name equals to product name, product name, comma, and the price, we are having a price. Okay, so after we have a object which equals to, if we have an object, so we will be pushing into the array with this dot items dot push. This dot item is an array dot push obj. Okay, so we haven't pushed the object. After that, we are having get total. Okay, so this is the level of thing that we can see here. Get total. That loop through the array calculates the sum of all items and returns the total amount. Okay, the loops. through the array, calculates the sum of all item prices and returns the total amount. Let's see. We have created total amount, calculate all the sum of the items and the prices. Also here we are trying to use some kind of a map of filter. So let's see. So okay, get total, right? So what we will do is we have an array, right? So let uh, total equals to this dot items dot map. We are using map here. So yeah, in the map we got item. For now, simplicity, I'm putting the I. We have my I. So every I will be redirected to every object, single object, and this object will be calling up here. Okay. So object I dot price, and let total, right? Yeah. I plus creates. Okay. So I think instead of map, we should use reduce. It will be helpful benefit because we want the X to have the single digit, right? So okay, reduce. It just like will wait. Can we okay, not like this? So I'm little minimizing. Hope you it's not affect the viewers. So reduce needs a okay initial point and a two parameter. What is first is a uh, past and current. Okay. You can also use the accumulator and other things like people use. I am previous and current value I use most of the time. So current value is the C dot price. C dot price is our current value and previous value is this. Okay, so let's start with P plus P plus equals to current price. Okay, so we are having and we are returning this thing return total. Then we have to, okay, just a total amount, right? So we are returning the total amount. And what else we can do is here, just to make little space. Okay, we have created a space. Now what it's about, let total, get total, and two methods we have to ask. Yep, we have been created. Let s const s1 equals to what it is about shopping cart. Okay, just using a new keyword. Okay, shopping cart. Okay, so we have created a shopping cart in which we don't have to pass anything because we are creating array there in the constructor function. So let check console.log add item s1 dot add item. Okay, so what we will be purchasing, what I need. Actually, whenever it comes to purchasing thing, it's like, does we have its need? Then only we try to purchase it. So, what is the current need? I don't know. Just random thing. Start with says one chutney. Says one. Sage one. I don't know spelling, but it chutney. I think so. Chutney. So remember, you have to pass the yeah, this thing, Szechuan chutney. And other than this, what we can price is most probably 149 pack. I think I will get those. Let's see. It's returning something. Okay. It's not returning. So return item added successfully. Successfully. Okay. It's returning now a string. You can see item added successfully. What else I should be adding? Okay. Chichuan. Let's add some jam. No, jam has too much contain sugar. Let it be. It is 99 rupees. Now we can see item add successfully what time. And now we would like to see our total. S1 dot, what is our get total? Okay, we have been get total. Let's see. We were having a bill of 450. It is undefined. Why it is undefined? Because we have created here total. Okay. Okay, let's check this out. Why this is undefined, and we would like to debugging the question and solution which has a issue. Well, let total equals to reduce dot pc. Okay, let's just console dot here, console dot log here total. Is there an issue? Okay, undefined, undefined. It total is undefined. So this dot item is array, right? So what about here? Console dot log p, console dot log p. Here you can see 149, and afterward it's nan. Why this is nan? Okay, uh, let's just debug here. Use dot item, so we'll be able to see. Okay, it's actually not pushing here. It's not working here as a array. Why? Why? Let's debug it properly. What's the issue is here? This dot item is here. Is an array, right? So I want this array dot push object. This object need to be push. But this is shows nan. First of all, I need to just say comment it out and understand why this is happening. We are debugging undefined. Okay. New shopping cart. We are not accepting as a parameter. We are just accepting in console.log. It is a log. There's dot items. Console.log and so comments. Although this can just I want to say this here console.log and dot items, which is undefined. This dot item. Okay, actually this is a S, and here we have missed the S. So just a spelling issue, and we got it. So it's a happened many times. There is a something minor issue or syntax issue is there, and we forgot to do that, and we got and something. Okay, item it's added successfully. Let's I want to see how the total is working here. Okay, so here the total is undefined for now. So this is working completely fine. Let's I want to see this here. First of all, console.log this dot items. So does the items is properly added? Yeah, item is properly added, and I can see what it is about. Okay, so just to give some identical thing. This I want to check. I want to check. Okay, so let's see. Okay, this I want to check. So okay, item is properly, and 49 is this total. Let's check this. Well, this is properly working fine. Console.log p. This okay. So 49 is about this. So we are actually issue in the reduce uh, our reduce function. Let's see what it is the issue in the reduce method. Okay, okay, okay. We are actually not returning something, right? Uh, let's return this and see what it is about. Let's run this 149 and we have 149. Okay, let's check this. Okay, it's working fine. Fine. Let's check this. Okay, we are forgot to the return statement. Whenever we are using the reduce map or filter, it's necessary to return the things. So we are forgot to return. So that's why we got an error. Okay, so now it's working fine. Yeah, just removing the debug statements. So this we call the debug statements. Whenever sometimes in the projects or something we got the error. So like this, we are try to debugging all the things. So I have just debug it. Okay, so our debug is successfully, and we can see our total is 248. So successfully we completed this function also. Let's level increase our level up. At the end, we will be take a review from the AI, so we could get a better suggestion or some optimized version tips also. Okay, this is the last question. Challenge the library system intermediary object interaction. Create a class called library. The constructor should take a library name and initialize an empty array called. Okay, okay. We have to create two method. I can see. First is add book and has book. Okay, yeah. We got a hint to use includes. Let's see. Give a try for you. Create a call library. Okay, class created a library. Okay, created. Uh, don't use when you use the class keyword. Don't use the parameter. Okay, so here we are constructor. Okay, let's create a constructor. Construct here is constructor. In that constructor, we are having a library name. Initialize is okay. So nothing we will be receiving as a parameter. Library, library name. Okay. Library name should take a initial constructor should take a library name and initialize empty array called this dot book. Oh, okay, okay, okay. It should has a library name. Just got confused later. This dot library name equals to library name, and after that it should have the this dot books equals to an empty array. Okay, so got it. So what else we could do? You know, okay, add library name, add a book. Okay, so creating a book. So finally, the rainfall is come and it's heavy raining. I like that because here the too much hot. I didn't like that much hot. So let's create the title. We have created a add book method, and in that book title, we have to push this into the array. Okay. So this is a particular type of object or something. No, just a book title. Okay. So this dot book. Okay. Books dot. We have to just push. Okay. Yeah, this is the array, and here we write tit title. Does we have to return anything? Well, let's give a return statement. So better to give a return statement. Book added. Book added. Okay. We didn't have to check or something. Take your time to okay. Use an array method like this. So like to dot includes to true if the library on the books and false. Okay. We have two conditions. We can either use the dot includes or we can go for through loop and checks. So like this. Okay. So added. I think should we check dot includes method like we have a dot include method, right? So let's give a little under brief for practice again. Check if this dot books dot uh dot includes includes book dot title, then return books books already have already there. Else you can do this. Okay, and return book added, and okay, book. Okay, let's having a property. Yeah. One statement here. Okay. Okay. Let's have this. So we have a proper if else. Okay. So what we can do next is has book method. Okay. Book title. Book title. Okay. So what left? Return true. If a library owns the book, true, and also does false if does not. Okay. So just return this dot books dot includes CLUTS includes book title. Okay. So yeah, it's a good. Anything else? Anything else? Anything else? No, it's fine. Let's create a C const C1 equals to new library. In that library, we should name पुस्तकालय अमृत वाचन AMRIT अमृत वाचन वचन वाचन chen. Amrit Vachan is our library name, and what we will be doing, okay. So what else we can do is console.log C1 dot add book. What book? Gita. Let's see. Book added and has book. Okay, but I want to check also. Uh, what we can do? Let's see later on. First, select console.log C1 dot add book. Okay, okay, book Gita and what about let's see. Okay, Gita and Amrit Vachan Gita and what we need. Uh, here, not, uh, we also have Upanishads and Vedanta and books. Upanishad, Upanishad. So add. Let's now check. Before checking with this, I want to just think uh, total books, all books, books, books. It will just not return. It will just return this dot books. Console.log C1 dot books. Okay. Okay, 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 okay. Okay, just forgot to call this function. And yeah, Gita, Ramayana, and Upanishad. Okay, so here we have this segment. So what I want to check is console.log C1 dot has book. What book should does it have the Gita? So it does it has. So it will be written true. If just change the guitars, so it will has false. Yeah, it's working fine. Let's okay, give for checking. Mm, mm, mm. Check the all solution. LU and solution and so LU solution and review them all in a few sentences. Yes. Mm, 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 mm. Okay, wait a second. Must be access like this. Something. Yeah. I don't know. I given them in a. I don't know. It's nothing. But if ChatGPT or something else, we can see there is a highlighted version for it. Quickest feedback. You do excellent job. Solutions for your syntax is perfectly clean. More in science. Okay. Blah blah blah. Feedback breakdown perfectly implemented. Your template cleans and arithmetic state instead. Okay. Brilliant use of dot reduce method calculate total. Highly optimized and industry standard. Yep. We are trying to follow the industry standard. Excellent. If else duplicate check, add book that proves you're thinking like a software engineer. So our end goal is a proper software engineer. So yeah, we will be soon. Okay. So for now, we will end our session here. We will be completing on this thing. Let's copy this question and we will be not like this. We will be copy and use this next time. Okay, thank you for attending my live session and helping me. And thank you for our viewer, someone who is talking with us. I feel nice to talk with you, buddy. Thank you. And thank you for your opportunity also. Okay, bye bye. Have a nice day. Bye bye.